Who Wants to See Thomas the Tank and Friends? This is from 1994. Has a copyright date there. In the island of Sodar. And you can see the cranes. There's the helipad. There's like another train thing there. There's some people, little village, the gate, the sheep. Oh, and here's where our friends sleep at night. And you can see there's James, Gordon, Percy, Thomas. Everybody's just hanging out. And they got the little cars there, the road and the tracks. It's pretty sweet. Let me know if you want to see more Thomas the Tank stuff. I have a bunch of die-cast cars. I just haven't had a big request for it, but I do have that, and we can use the map some or just talk about the cars. Feel free to like, subscribe, and share.